Today's topic is to check if a given string is a binary string or not. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is a basic approach, and the method two, by using a set method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to create a function named check over here, and in which we are going to pass the string as a parameter. After that, we have created a variable x over here which consists of only two elements, that is 0 and 1, since the binary also consists of two elements, and we have set the count to 0. After that, we are doing a for loop over here in which we are going to go through each and every element of our given string, and we have a condition that if I is not present in the x, that is if there is a new term rather than 0 and a 1, then we are increasing the count by +1, else we are passing it out. Now after the for loop gets completed, we have set a condition that if the count is greater than or even equal to 1, then we are returning it as to the false, that the string is not a binary string, else we are returning as true. As you can see it over here, this is my string, and I get an output as a true that the given string is a binary string.